Hello guys, today I'll show you how to uh, save the file in SketchUp. So you open the SketchUp, how to save the file. Save, open. So I would like to click on architectural. The unit is millimeter. Click on it. Okay. So example, I draw something. I press R. Okay, I draw something, and I press space to exit from it, and I press P to push it up, press space to exit, and you click on scroll, you can rotate it, yeah. Okay, and then you want to save. So our lesson 2 is how to save this file. Click on file here, save. So I want to save which location, example on desktop, and then I rename the folder SketchUp lesson, example, enter, open. What is the name file? So our tutorial today is lesson 2. Save. And then you can close. So our file is here. Yeah, you can open on it, double click on it. It will directly open to the SketchUp. You see, this is our file. That's all. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more for lesson 3. See you. Bye bye.